Hello student, welcome in your economics class. Today's topic is relation between TU and MU. Relation between total utility and marginal utility. At first, we have to know about the total utility and marginal utility and the concept of utility. But first question arises, what is utility? Utility refers to want satisfying power of the commodity. It means every commodity has a power to satisfy human wants. Suppose I want to write something on the board with the help of this marker. The power of marker known as utility, which satisfied our want. Utility, it's clear. Now second question arises, how to measure? Utility is a psychological terms for human being, but in economics we can measure it. For measurement of consumers equilibrium, there are two concepts of measurement of utility: cardinal concept of measurement and ordinal concept of measurement. Cardinal concept of measurement and ordinal concept of measurement. Cardinal concept of measurement given by Professor Marshall. Ordinal concept of measurement given by Professor Higgs. Cardinal concept refers to utility measures in terms of cardinal number or unit, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose I need this marker and the power of marker is equal to 10. It assumes that I need a pen, the power of pen is equal to 8. In terms of economics is that utils, which is help to measure utility. Now in terms of unit like 10, 8, this is known as cardinal concept. Ordinal concept of utility measures. Utility refers to measures in terms of rank or order, like it is first priority for me, it is second priority for me. Now for that, it is first rank, it is second rank. It is high utility, it has low utility. When utility measures in terms of high, low, first, second, main goods, substitute goods, it is known as ordinal concept. Now start cardinal concept of utility with the help of two terms, total utility and marginal utility. Total utility and marginal utility. Total utility refers to the sum total of utility derived from consumption of the commodity. Consumption all the commodities, all the unit of the commodities. And marginal utility refers to utility derived with additional consumption. It means marginal utility is additional utility which derive of account of consumption of additional unit. Suppose a consumer consume 3 unit. It has 10 utils of utility, it has 8 utils of utility, and it has 6 utils of utility. The total utility is 24 for me. And what is marginal utility? The additional utility means the first consumption, the unit of first consumption gives 10 utils and second gives 8. The total utility 18, but the second one gives 8 utils. This is known as marginal utility. Now start the relation between total utility and marginal utility with the help of schedule and diagram. Schedule and diagram. The schedule given a consumer consumes 7 unit of a commodity. 7 unit of a commodity with the total utility 28. At first unit 10. And the first unit marginal utility 10. Second unit 18. Total utility 18. Marginal utility 8. The diagram shows y-axis for marginal utility and total utility. X-axis shows unit of consumption. Now start the relationship. First, sum total of marginal utility is equal to total utility. Sum total of marginal utility always be equal to total utility. Sum total of fourth unit of consumption. The marginal utility, sum total of marginal utility is 28 and total utility also 28. The sum total of marginal utility always be equal to total utility. Second, marginal utility is positive when TU increases so long. When marginal utility is positive, TU increases so long. When marginal utility is positive from 1 to 5, TU means total utility increases so long. Marginal utility is positive from consumption of 1 to 5, total utility increases so long. Diminishing marginal utility implies that total utility increases at diminishing rate. It means when marginal utility decreases, total utility increases at diminishing rate. Total utility increases at diminishing rate. Means marginal utility 10, 8, 6. Total utility 10, 18, 24 increases at diminishing rate. Next, marginal utility is 0, total utility is maximum. Marginal utility is 0, total utility is maximum. At the diagram, marginal utility is 0, total utility is maximum. Next, marginal utility is negative. When marginal utility is negative, total utility start diminishing. When marginal utility is negative, after the satisfaction, marginal utility is negative, total utility start diminishing. Marginal utility is negative in 7 unit of consumption, total utility start diminishing, showing in diagram from 6 unit to 7 unit. This is the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. All things are clear? Okay, thank you.